What's up, guys? Bringing you guys a digital cash club review. So let's start with the product, right? We got YouTube for Business. It's a product all inside of itself. YouTube marketing can take your business to the next level. Every product you see here is a different avenue of marketing. You don't need to learn all of these at once to start seeing results. By results, I mean profits in your business to grow your business. Right? Digital Cash Club is a membership to get access to, top tier marketing training. People aren't teaching Pinterest actively to people over here on Facebook. People normally master one of these until they figure out what works. You could come figure out what works, right, and start mastering and putting in action to generate leads for your online business, to generate emails for your online business, to grow your online business. You get some sales copy training, blogging. This is really an all-in-one product that once you go through and you learn the things that's being taught inside a digital cash club, you'll be able to earn commissions in any marketing program that you set your hands on, right? It's a newbie-friendly beginner to advanced marketing training. We provide only high-quality, up-to-date video training that gets you results. Everything we wish we knew from starting out long ago. My name is Andre. I've been marketing online for the past 6 years. I've been able to generate commissions online. Let's start with this payment proof. I'm going to show you 2 pictures. Back to the Digital Cash Club membership, what it includes. You get YouTube Live for Business video training. It's a vault of YouTube videos that's going to show you how to start using YouTube for your business, how you could generate money using YouTube for your business. The same with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You get the video training you need to engage with people. How are the people on YouTube joining businesses? What type of information do they like to see before they get started inside of a business? Same for Facebook Live. It's tailored to which platform you are on and the susceptibility that your audience is ready for. Easy content creation. You want to learn content is king. Why not build your own content factory? You'll be able to learn how to build, your content factory. HubSpot for Business video training. A lot of this stuff is new to me as well, so I get to learn a lot of new things as a person who has been marketing for 6 years. You can earn unlimited $250 per referral. So, one sale per week generates you $1,000 a month. 2 sales per week generates you $2,000 a month. 3 sales a week is $3,000 a month. Guys, this is life-changing income. When you join the Digital Cash Club's 100% commission referral program, you'll earn $250 per sale. It's paid out instantly to you. There's a one-time $50 reseller license fee in order to join the referral program. You get access to all the products I've showed you for $250. And for an extra $50, you could resell this marketing package that Digital Cash Club offers over and over again for endless $250 payments. And because the product is solid and provides up-to-date information on what's working inside the industry, you're going to be able to constantly be able to produce sales in a product you could trust that other people are going to be able to benefit from, meaning, they get to grow what's important to them, which is their business, which helps their family life. So, how am I promoting this? I have a little secret weapon. Put the link for this in the description. As you see, this is 11, 20, 27, 34, 59 clicks. Right, these are people inside an email. They already opened the email, made it past that part, and then clicked onto a link. That's 59 clicks. This is just in a week. From sending out 7 emails, I was able to generate 60 clicks. If I sent all these clicks to my Digital Cash Club business, that's a viable way to generate instant $250 commissions. This is Dre Hall. This is my Digital Cash Club review. I'm going to show you some bonus websites I have when you get started with my Digital Cash Club team, which include, a bridge page for Digital Cash Club. I came in Digital Cash Club and I was able to make $250 right here. I'm gonna load up that picture. Right, here's my first video I made. The 3 components to online commissions: a product, a system, and a community. The system, you get access to the system, which provides the products and is built with a community, the Facebook success group. Now, you can see on February 23rd, Little Self-Made Millionaires, I earned a $250 commission. Digital Cash Club has started on February 23rd, 2020. Not a lot of people have this information to grow their business. You get access to this information today. You'll learn how to grow your business on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, blogging, and through content. Email for Profits. This is going to help you with your email marketing. So when I go through this course, imagine I go through this course and master everything. These numbers can only increase. I'm fairly new to email marketing. This is these are typical results. Once I get better at email marketing, I'll be able to generate more traffic from this lead source. How this lead source works is you get 100 leads every single day. If you refer one person to my lead gen secret, you get 200 leads every single day. Now, these leads are qualified people looking for a business opportunity, looking to break through. If you have a good offer, chances are it'll convert. I just showed you a good offer. I'll be helping you get started with Digital Cash Club. You're going to get access to my bonus websites, my bonus trainings, and we could get you paid. My name is Dre Hall. Thanks for watching this YouTube video, my Digital Cash Club review. Go ahead, do some more research on the Digital Cash Club. You'll see it's fairly new. Do your research before getting started. Digital Cash Club is a hot product. I believe in the trainings, and I believe the trainings can help get you results just as they help me get results. My name is Dre Hall. I'll see you guys on the next video. In the meantime, check out my channel, subscribe if you're new, come check me out on Facebook. I'll support you, you support me. Let's move forward.